I'm going to talk about Vybz Kartel and the ruling the Privy Council made recently about his case. I have been saying the same thing over and over and over, and I am going to give my analysis in this video. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, I'm going right into this. Vybz Kartel and his appeal in the Privy Council. And I have spoken on this subject many times. I know the cartel people them out there want to see him come out of jail, but I have some very bad news for all of y'all. So the Privy Council reject Vybz Kartel motion for new evidence to be submitted. So now, you remember his lawyer, Buchanan? The reason why they rejected Vybz Kartel submission with new evidence, it's because from day one, I said Vybz Kartel case is not a constitutional case. It is a criminal case, and its constitution was not violated. Now, I saw Buchanan talk about tampering with evidence, and I am going to elaborate on that. Okay, now, there was, I guess, a submission in the regular criminal case that the police tampered with the evidence, and I guess it pretty much what they're saying is somebody change up the voice and this and that on WhatsApp. And I did a video on it to really hack a WhatsApp, take out Vybz Kartel voice notes, alter the voice, upload it back to the WhatsApp. Now, remember now you have to hack it, and change up all the evidence on the inside. Now, that is next to impossible. A hacking job like that would be about a $10 million US hacking job. It doesn't make sense. Now, if the lawyer wanted to pursue a constitutional case with Vybz Kartel, it should have been dealt with upon his arrest. They didn't read him his rights. They violated his constitutional rights by not having search warrants and stuff like that. The evidence that sent Vybz Kartel to jail is the voice notes, as well as a witness got away and spoke in court. And if that witness recant his statement, he might have a chance. But beyond that, Vybz Kartel is not getting out of jail. So this ruling with the Privy Council, they're not accepting any new evidence. They're going to overlook what's already there. In the Privy Council rejection, I think ISAT was trying to bring in the so-called hacked WhatsApp WhatsApp messenger, but that is not working. So it's a lose-all battle for Vybz Kartel. Now, that's just my analysis on this case, and that's what I think is gonna happen. Isaac, I think you did Vybz Kartel wrong. Let me know what you guys think about this. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.